Good afternoon from Gulf Shores, Alabama. Today we're going to be showing you a 2019 Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. It's 27 feet 10 inches length overall with a 9-foot beam. Only 17-inch draft. This particular boat here we ordered besides with the integrated T-top there, we did order the twin 225s. If it's the speed you want, this might be the boat for you. Top end speed on this boat's about 56 miles an hour. Cruising speed of 35 miles an hour will give you a range of almost 350 miles. Okay, on the aft portion of the boat now, looking forward, as you can see, we have the powder coated T-top with LED spreader lights, deluxe bait well and sink, bait prep station, a dive door, which is a popular option around here, very large aft casting deck that actually folds up into seating. Going forward, you see at the helm station here, twin bolster seating, and a pump out head in the console. Looking towards the bow of the boat, you'll notice we have insulated storage on both sides, including filler cushions all the way around, and chase lounge style seating. Going to the very bow of the boat, you'll notice this boat does come equipped with an anchor windlass. And this boat, you'll notice, also has a big lounge forward of the console here with locked storage. Thanks for looking at the Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless today at MarineMax Gulf Shores. If you have any questions on this boat or any other boat, please give us a call. 251-981-1113. 251-981-1113. Thank you.